Good morning, everyone. Today, October 13, 2022, on Thursday, and we can see Apple lost a little bit, but by the way, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and Google, all the giant company is getting back. And today it's look pretty good so far because all of them start to gain back a lot. And hopefully we got a green day today. But anyways, more in the downside. See here now, we can see it's 176 point on Dow Jones. And yesterday, the whole country add up over $1,124 billion for the whole country in the US, and especially in the stock market. So it's right now I going to see over 321 points in the Dow Jones. So this one, what you need to know, what happened. So you can read by yourself on that one. And the new I try to add extra on. So the overview is Dow Jones cap lost a little bit yesterday. And Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Russell, S&P 500, kind of all of them kind of lost. So Canada, the first three, TSX and TSX 60 and CB3 lost. Just only SEM is gain. And in Asia, Nikkei, Hong Kong, Shanghai, and Shenzhen all lost. In Europe, all of them gain. SE100 Dash and CAC and ATX, all of them has gained more than from 10 to 30 some point. Good morning, our trader again, 7 a.m. Central Time. Here we see the US dollars now. It's pretty good. So energy is up. $87. That's for one trader. It's not that big deal at all. So financial is down 3. It's not a big deal. So indicate is 64 ticks higher. That's pretty good for the stock. And gold is up a little bit, 1,681. Yesterday 1,660 some, 70 some. Is now just 81. It's not. So we can compare with another market. Is say Dow Jones is getting up a little bit, 162. Nasdaq getting up 30 points, and S&P 500 getting up 19 points. So SB. So crude oil we see it here just adds a little bit on. So natural gas adds a little bit. So gold kind of like $3, and a lot of food price still swing around. Not that crazy. So now we compare with another side. So Dow Jones is lost. You see it? So Nasdaq and SB lost. So here is we call, and especially see gold just like $3, and oil 0.18%. That's mean like just around 60 cents. That's not too crazy. So anyway, in ETFs, we see a lot of big ones like SPY, QQQ, just slowly going down. But anyway, today we can sell it right away. And if you buy the small one, go ahead and get an EM or HYG or GOVT or XLE. That's the best one and the cheap one in the ETFs family. Now we're going to jump to option area. And we can see a lot of call for today is I mean, that's what call for. It's not depend. So wherever you want to buy, and the market like flexible with what's your knowledge with. But anyway, depending what you buy, doesn't matter. Like call put, you still make money. And BAC is $32. It's going to be on the 25th next month. That's pretty good timer. ERBT is on the 18th next month. That's pretty good. And VOD in next year. And VOD on call next year. All 2 VOD on the call next year. And this is a volume list. They call V2 list. The best on the top list is CCL, AMD, Apple, Tesla, F, and BEGY, NAO, NVDA, CCJ, and T, Amazon, and American Airlines. So that's so on. And right now it's getting up over 200 points. And I try to confirm with the system again. It's still over 285 points. That's what they see on the system right now. And they're going to hit to 290. So it's be 300 very soon, because remember last few minutes ago I said it's like 300. So first stock we going to take a look for today is CCL. It's Carnival. It's $7. If someone bought them like $6 a few days ago, and then right now it's make pretty good profit. We can see the signal like swing down really good. Remember, we buy at the dip and sell when you get profits, not sell on the top, because you never know when is top, but you know when is you make profit, when is a good time for you to make profits. We buy the number, the plus or the green number. That's when you got profit, sell it. Depend how much profit you want, then you hold at that moment. So $9.2 billion, that's their cap. And you can see is $19 for yearly rotation is really pretty big deal. With the stock right now just around $6-7. And daily rotation, they can move around 35 to 40 some cents. So anyway, that's pretty good. And next one is CCJ Chemical. The chemical is one of the Canada company. It uranium is company. It's pretty stable. So anyway, it's 22 now. It's gonna buy them till $20. Remember, uranium is very important in like with the knowledgeable countries, especially US and Canada, England, Germany, and French. It's a big country, it's strong economy. So with the uranium is very important. Uranium can make the electric, so they can make a lot of stuff. But uranium is right now is with the 4.0 life. It's really, we cannot live without it, honestly. So we can tell on the cap here is 8.8, and daily rotation is going to be around 14. Yeah, and they can move one day. They can move like around 50 cents up and down a little bit. It's not that too high, but that's pretty good enough. So thank you very much. Have a good day and see you guys tomorrow.